Hello, friends. Welcome to the quiz. And I know some of you have been waiting, eagerly. And for all those who have joined us today, I just want to inform you for people who want to ask a detailed question but unable to do any kind of super chat, UPI payment, or also becoming a member. For those, you can now show your power of your intellect and win free Oracle reading, which is worth 400 rupees or $5. If you do so, if you win, all your detailed questions will be answered. All right. So there is no qualification. Anybody who's live right now can participate and win. So there will be only 4 questions. This is a very short quiz. Only 4 questions. All you have to do is win all 4 questions to win the quiz. However, if there is a tie, we will have a tiebreaker session also, so that we will determine who wins eventually. All right. What you have to do is, when you see the question, read the question carefully and respond as quickly as possible. As quickly as possible, because we follow the fastest finger first method. That means the first person to give the detailed and complete answer wins. And in case you have any spelling mistake issues, you will actually suffer, because the person without any spelling mistake will win. All right. I have conveyed all the rules of the game, and I'm going to start displaying the first question. So therefore, if you are not ready, get ready, because the first question is coming up right now. All right. Before I proceed, I will also tell you that since we follow the first answer, that means fastest finger first, all your answers will get displayed on this side of the screen. So what you see is also what we see. Completely transparent system we have. All right. I'm going to display the question now. Akansha Srivastav is saying hello. How are you, Akansha? All right. So Akansha and everybody else, get ready, because here comes the first question. Question is in front of you. In the year 1705, which English monarch knights Sir Isaac Newton at Trinity College, Cambridge? 1705 में वो कौन से इंग्लैंड के मोनार्क थे, राजा भी हो सकते हैं, रानी भी हो सकते हैं, जिन्होंने आइजैक न्यूटन को नाइटहुड प्रदान किया. उसके बाद वो सर की उपाधि उनको मिली और उसके बाद सर आइजैक न्यूटन कहलाए. ये सेरेमनी ट्रिनिटी कॉलेज कैम्ब्रिज में की गई. तो आपको मोनार्क का नाम बताना है. सो आई विल रिपीट द क्वेश्चन. विच इंग्लिश मोनार्क provide knighthood to Isaac Newton at Trinity College, Cambridge? And friends, as you know, this is an open competition. Anybody can participate, so make sure that you provide complete name in order to win. And as you know, for all the regular players, the questions are not difficult. And since it is competitive, the nature of the game is competitive. Therefore, if you provide complete answer, complete name, your chances of victory improves. So please provide the complete answer, as complete as possible, without any spelling mistake. Take extra 1 or 2 seconds, no problem. Take your time. But if you provide complete answer, you will tend to win. All right. So I started getting some answers. सीमा बिरादर. सीमा बिरादर is the first one. सीमा बिरादर का आंसर है क्वीन एन. आकांक्षा श्रीवास्तव, क्वीन एन. सोनिया गांधी is saying Queen Anne, followed by Akansha, Queen Anne Stewart. Sanika is doing cut and paste. Sanika, थोड़ा सा देखिए क्या आप लिख रहे हैं, ऐसा मत करिए, उनका नाम दीजिए. विद्याश्री शिंदे, क्वीन एन. सोनिया गांधी, क्वीन एन स्टुअर्ट. So who else is now attempting? I will wait for 5 seconds because काफी आंसर आए हैं. First answer is Queen Anne by Akansha Srivastav. All right. So now I will open the answer and see who's complete and who has given the right answer. All right, here comes the answer now. However, Akansha Srivastav is the first one. All right. इनका नाम है एन स्टुअर्ट and popularly known as Queen Anne, but complete name is Anne Stewart. All right, so let's see who has given this name first. And that is Akansha Srivastav, Queen Anne Stewart. I will display your name, Akansha. And because आपने सबसे पहले ये Queen A Stewart कहा है. Akansha. Akansha, your name is on the screen. Round of applause for winning this round. Great job, Akansha. Her surname is Stewart. All right. Let's move on quickly to the next next question. Quickly, please focus on this one now. First round is over. Let's focus on the second round. All of you. In the year 1853, first passenger railway is opened in India. From which station of Mumbai or Bombay to Thane? 1853 में इंडिया में पहली रेलवे को स्टार्ट किया गया, विच इज पॉपुलरली नोन एज मुंबई टू थाने और बॉम्बे टू थाने. लेकिन क्वेश्चन ये है वो कौन सा स्टेशन था मुंबई में और बॉम्बे में जहां से ट्रेन चालू हुई और थाने के स्टेशन पे खत्म हुई. एंड द डिस्टेंस वाज 34 किलोमीटर. इनफैक्ट दिस इज अ जीके क्वेश्चन. You are often asked, name the train which started first in India. And the answer is 1853, Bombay to Thane. But the question is from which station to Thane? कौन से स्टेशन बॉम्बे में या मुंबई में? आज की डेट में उसको मुंबई बोलते हैं, but back in the days it was known as Bombay. Which station of Bombay to Thane? The first train in India, the distance was only 34 kilometers. That was the first train in India. And friends, as you know, Mumbai is an island. It is not part of the mainland India. Mainland India, the Thane is on mainland India. So it was very important for British to lay a railway line across the ocean from Thane, because from Thane they needed to bring all the goods to Mumbai, to the port, so that they can ship them out or bring them into India. So this train has a very historic significance. All right, I started getting the answers. And many answers have come. In fact, Seema Biradar ने सबसे पहले आंसर दिया है. Seema Biradar is saying बोरी बंदर, बोरी बंदर. विद्याश्री शिंदे बोरी बंदर. सनिका बोरी बंदर. All right. सोने गांधी बोरी बंदर. Akansha Srivastav बोरी बंदर. All right. So many answers have come. First answer is from Seema Biradar. I will open the answer now and we will check Seema Biradar का आंसर सही है कि नहीं. Pratima Khushwa is also saying बोरी बंदर. First answer is from Seema Biradar. बिल्कुल सही Seema Biradar, आपका आंसर एकदम सही है. It's बोरी बंदर. बोरी बंदर to Thane. That was the first train. It was from Bombay to Thane, but the station is बोरी बंदर to Thane. And Seema Biradar का सबसे पहले आंसर आया था. Seema Biradar, आपका नाम स्क्रीन पे है. Round of applause for winning this round, Seema Biradar. All right, friends, now quickly move to the next question. Focus on the third round. Here comes 1912. Who is the first female pilot to fly across English Channel? 1912 में वो कौन सी महिला पायलट थी जिन्होंने पहली दफा इंग्लिश चैनल को क्रॉस किया? अब आपको ये बता दूं हिंट के तौर पे कि ये पहली महिला है जिन्होंने ओशन को फ्लाई किया. फर्स्ट फीमेल टू फ्लाई ओवर द ओशन, फर्स्ट फीमेल टू क्रॉस इंग्लिश चैनल इन अ प्लेन, एंड दिस हैपेंड इन द ईयर 1912. You have to tell the complete name of this female pilot. Clock is ticking, friends. All right, the first answer is from Vidyashri Shinde. Harriet Kimbley. Vidyashri Shinde is saying Harriet Kimbley, followed by Sanika, Harriet Kimbley. Seema Biradar, Harriet Kimbley. Pratima Khushwa, Harriet Kimbley. All right. So Akansha Srivastav, Harriet Kimberly. All right. So first answer is from Vidyashri Shinde, and we will check if this answer is correct. I'm going to open the answer now. Absolutely right. Vidyashri Shinde, आपका आंसर एकदम सही है. Harriet Kimberly. She was the first woman to cross English Channel, first woman to fly over the ocean from one land to other over an ocean, first woman to fly. Therefore, it's a world record. First woman to cross the English Channel is Harriet Kimberly, and she was not British. She was an American pilot, and she had, before crossing the English Channel, she had many records back in the America. So she is not a British national, she is an American. So Vidyashri Shinde, you win. Round of applause for Vidyashri Shinde. All right. So moving on quickly, we are going to display the next question. सब लोग तैयार हो जाइए. Please focus on the screen. Here comes the next question. In the year 1953, British Royal Yacht launched by Queen Elizabeth II. What is the name of this ship? 1953 में ब्रिटिश रॉयल यॉट को लॉन्च किया गया. जो प्रीवियस क्वीन थी जो इंग्लैंड की, उनका नाम था एलिजाबेथ II, प्रिंस चार्ल्स की मदर. उन्होंने ये ब्रिटिश रॉयल यॉट को लॉन्च किया. इस शिप का नाम बताना है आपको. First answer is from Seema Brother. She is saying Britannia. 1953 British Royal Yacht was launched by Queen Elizabeth II. What is the name of the ship? Vidyashri Shinde is saying Britannia. Okay, थोड़ा स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गया है विद्याश्री, आपको उसको नुकसान हो सकता है. आकांक्षा श्रीवास्तव, HMY Britannia. ओके, HMY Britannia बोल रहे हैं. ऑल राइट. प्रतिमा कुशवाहा इज सेइंग Britannia. Vidyashri Shinde has corrected. She is saying Britannia. Vanshika Bora is saying Britannia. Sanika is saying HMY Britannia. Well, अब आपको बता दें ये डिस्कशन हमारा कल भी हुआ था, आकांक्षा के साथ हुआ था. ये HMS, RMS, HMY को कंसिडर नहीं किया जाएगा इसमें, बिकॉज these are not the names. These are not the names. तो जो हमारे स्क्रीन पे नाम होगा वही हम कंसिडर करेंगे. वेल उसी को हिज मैजेस्टी यॉट करके उन्होंने सोनिया गांधी ने किया है, ब्रिटानिया. सीमा ब्रदर इज सेइंग ब्रिटानिया ट्रस्ट. ऑल राइट. अब आप सब लोग इसमें कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले आंसर आया था सीमा ब्रदर का, ब्रिटानिया. सीमा ब्रदर, आई विल डिस्प्ले योर नेम. आपका नाम स्क्रीन पे है और हम चेक करेंगे कि आपका आंसर सही है कि नहीं. आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन द आंसर. Yes, it is Britannia. Britannia is the name of this ship, which was the Royal Yacht launched by Queen Elizabeth II in the year 1953. Sima brother, you win. You win, Britannia, and round of applause for Sima brother. All right. Let's see if we have more questions left. So we have come to the end of our quiz today. I will take a short break and join you back with the result. Don't go anywhere, friends, and who knows, the result can be very interesting. So just coming back after a short break. Friends, participation is very important, and because if you do not participate, you will never win. There's no question of winning or losing, but if you participate, your knowledge will improve, you will also become competitive, and you will also win oracle reading. So participation is very important, and I would like to first name all those people who participated today, and their names are Seema Biradar, Akansha Srivastav, Sanika, Sonia Gandhi, Vidyashri Shinde, Pratima Kushwaha, Vanshika Bora. So round of applause. Kudos to all of you for participating. Before I go to the result, I'd like to tell you that all your answers are correct. All your answers are correct. There are very few, in fact, very few wrong answers. However, this game is of speed. So whoever gives the first answer wins. Therefore, with this, I would like to move to the result. We had 4 rounds and Seema Biradar has a score of 2. Seema Biradar का score 2 है, followed by Akansha Srivastav, her score is 1, and followed by Vidyashri Shinde, उनका score भी 1 है. तो आज हमारी विनर है सीमा बिरादर. सीमा बिरादर ने 2 राउंड जीते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट शी हैज वन today's quiz. Let me search her name and display. Seema Biradar, round of applause for winning this quiz. Seema, great job. So Seema Biradar, आप अपने क्वेश्चन सोच लीजिए, बिकॉज आपके जो भी डिटेल क्वेश्चन आप पूछना चाहती हैं, दैट कैन बी आंसर्ड बाय वे ऑफ ऑरेकल रीडिंग इन डिटेल. When we return, we will actually do your oracle reading. Wishing you all the best, Seema Biradar.